Sing it. Sing the chorus again.
I got dingleberries and they're really scary. 'Cause when I pull my pants down to have sex, she looks at me and she kind of turns her neck. And she says, "What the fuck is that?" I said, "I don't know, I didn't wipe my ass. I don't know, I didn't wipe my ass."
It's the funniest shit ever.
I got dingleberries and they're really scary. And I got oh my god.
That was the